Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find Show Taskbar on all displays to enable Taskbar on multiple displays in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your Taskbar and click the right button of your mouse. Here you can see Taskbar settings. You have to click on this. You also can open your Taskbar settings by clicking on Personalization, then Taskbar. Now scroll down. Here you can see Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it. Now scroll down. If you open your multiple displays, then this option will be automatically appear. Show my Taskbar on all displays. You just have to turn on this button. That's it. So this is how you can find Show Taskbar on all displays to enable Taskbar on multiple displays in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.